While you're still lying in bed, unable to sleep, why not watch an episode of relaxing, sleep-aiding wilderness construction? It's a blessing for insomniacs in the late night. Watching this guarantees you'll drift off to dreamland. Quickly grab your phone with less than 60% battery and find the most comfortable position to lie down. Let's start today's sleep time together. With the entire wooden villa being built, they have to prepare more wood. Watching the chaotic weather, you know how intense the winters are here. The dog has also gotten used to the environment here. They can even flirt with each other when they are free. Today's ingredients: fried eggs with rice. The two of them simply ate some breakfast. Then, using a ruler to measure the distance of the roof. They say the edges and sides are all about ceiling. This task can't be taken lightly at all. We see that they lie marked very carefully. Whether it's cutting the boards or grasping the dimensions, every move has a master's style. After the two of them fix the collar, next is to use this plywood to join them piece by piece, making the gaps fit perfectly. Almost every piece fits perfectly. This double layer protection is not only safe and reliable, but also has the effect of insulation and cold protection. Now the whole roof looks quite smooth. Lighting a warm fireplace to keep warm. It's clear that the two brothers are quite satisfied. They rebuilt the wooden villa in a season. Now the indoor temperature is already 23 degrees. Completely contrasting with the outside, a world of ice and fire. The two brothers continue to process some planks, reinforcing the areas with gaps using these wider planks. If it is said that the young man has a lot of experience, everything he does is very casual. Even the edges and corners have to be added with wooden supports. With rhythmic tapping, the entire interior of the wooden house will become unbreakable. It's beautiful, smooth, and simple. He didn't stop, pushing forward. Taking advantage of the good weather and a gentle breeze, they continued to gather some small, unsuitable trees and process them to the required length. Then they used a tape measure to measure the width in front of the door. After leveling the soil with a shovel, they placed the processed logs on it. They planned to build a terrace in front of the door. After fixing several sturdy logs, the joints were reinforced with nails. Then they joined the wooden boards one by one, arranging them neatly together. Although the winters here are cold, the air is very fresh. Being in a natural oxygen bar, they work quite well. For cylindrical shapes like this, they have to measure them with a ruler and mark the appropriate dimensions. After cutting with the tools, they can be precisely joined together. They say the edge is crazy, and the 9 is crazy. The unlucky brothers naturally can't be left behind. They saw them fixing the sliced planks at the opposite corners respectively. Now, looking at it from the front, not only is the appearance top-notch, and the color of this pure wood style feels clean without having to clean it. Alexei then installed a baffle on one side. He intends to gather the planed wood here. It's easy to get, and doesn't take up space. Thus, the wooden villa built by the two in an entire season is completed. This is their second home in Siberia. The previous semi-underground shelter is completely scrapped. Later, after the snow melts in winter, it's all full of water inside. It seems there's no hope of rebuilding the underground shelter. But the two homes are not far apart. One is on the mountainside, the other at the foot of the mountain. They can shuttle back and forth on the snow field. They haven't come back these days. The wooden house is already piled up with snow. Alexei needs to clear the roof. Otherwise, squeezing too much snow. This open-air living room is going to be ruined. After Alexei finished clearing, the sky slowly darkened. He gathered some dry wood and lit a fire in the winter to raise the temperature inside. Another busy day. Tonight, he can finally have a good meal. At this moment, the dog was already asleep peacefully. Alexei also started to boil water and took out his favorite dumplings. Since being exposed to our Chinese culture, these dumplings have become his favorite. Every time he's happy, he boils a bag of frozen dumplings. Recently, there's a very hot topic online. What is the meaning of life? Most people overlook a truth. That is, many things don't need to have meaning. Eating, drinking, and having fun does not necessarily equal wasting time. Hard work and perseverance also don't necessarily equal extraordinary meaning. When you're anxious and mentally exhausted, please remember, life is the accumulation of all kinds of experiences. As long as you want to, you can do those seemingly meaningless things. For example, skiing can also be very enjoyable.